Racing just is started with a piece of my wish. Break clear start, moving up now. That is bumpy road. Boyo Aguirre is good move. Then next on that is Precious Metal. 5 o'clock comes next Liza. Then next on that is Ninjitsu. While Dugos favorite is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have piece of my wish by length and a half. Bumpy road in second. Then on the outside third comes Boyo. Then next on the now is 5 o'clock run on the inside. Accuracy is on the outside. Good move. Then next on line on the outside is Precious Metal. Zero Liza Ninjitsu second last. While Dugos favorite is still running at the tail of the field. We have piece of my wish by length and a half. Boyo in second. And in third comes Bumpy Road. 5 o'clock remains in fourth. And on the outside now is Accuracy. That on the inside is Good Move. With Eliza, then next on line is Precious Metal, Ninjitsu, while Dugos favorite is still running at the tail of the field, and as they swing for home, we have Boyo now takes command by about 2 lengths, moving up now on the outside is Good Move, as with Eliza is down on the inside, Bumpy Road in the middle portion, last 100 meters, the lead now belongs to Good Move, Boyo is with Eliza, and finally we have Good Move, second is Boyo, then comes with Eliza, and number 7, Bumpy Road, Precious Metal and Accuracy.
Ano ba ang dating?